This is going to be a little hard to decide. I mean, we could choose simply based on the players that got above 50%. Then we have to think. We want also players that are willing to take shots. Although Kevin was great and made 6 shots out of 8 shots, he's not really taking many shots. 6 points might not win us the game. We also have to take into consideration players that are willing to take risks and take more shots. But then we also don't want players that just keep shooting and shooting and losing the ball. So it's all strategizing. For example, I might not take Mike. I believe this is too many shots for one player to take. In reality, if we think about what he did, okay, we know that he got 15 points for the team in one game. Right? That's 25% of 60. 25% of 44 is 11 points. 10% of 50 is 5. 20% of 25 would be, I'm trying to do it in my head. 20% would be 1/5, would be another 5. 50% would be 9 points. 20% of 15, wait, let me move this so we can see what we're doing over down here. Okay, just 20% of 15, 1 and 5. It's only 3 points over here. And 1/4 of 28, I think, is 7. So what I'm doing is I'm choosing to see who scored the most points during this game. 6 points, 60% of shots. Wow, 60% of 25 is quite good, Josh. Let's see. So it would be 15% for Josh, 15 shots for Josh, and Emmerich got 12. We could look at the high scoring players. We have 15 over here. But he had to take 60 shots to get 15 points, and he only had to take 25 shots to get 15 points. So I'm definitely going to take Josh. Okay. We'll think about Mike for now. And then I am going to see the next highest scorer. We have for 40, Emmerich. 40 made 30% of his shots. We took 40. He's still better than Mike. Okay. I would probably choose simply my highest scorers. Zhang. Okay. 50%, 9 shots out of 18. I have another one here, Bob, but probably. Kevin only made 6 shots, but he only took 8, and maybe he's not quite a shooter, or he didn't get the ball that often, but I would take Kevin. Okay. And all you have to do, boys and girls, is explain your logic. Answers can vary. I think for 44 shots, I will take Zhang. Even though Mike and Zhang both scored 25%, they would have about the same rate going. And I think that's, well, yeah, I would end up taking Mike on the team as well. Those would be my players. Although Emmerich did score 12 points, I might switch Kevin for Emmerich. But he does have a better record. Or I might switch Zhang for Emmerich and keep Zhang out. So I have Emmerich, Josh, Kevin, Mike, and Bob. Your answer for explain your choices are different. For me, I just spoke about the ratio of how many shots and the percentages and how many points they made. Okay, that's why Kevin made the team. Kevin, although he only scored 6 points, he had a great average. I'm sure if he kept shooting, his percentage would lower, but this is a great game for him. So I would score him because he could continue to maintain this, even though it will drop likelihood. will probably end up with a great score if he gets the ball more often. So just explain those things. Explain your logic. Which player would you encourage to shoot more often? I would encourage Kevin to shoot more often. Why? Well, he's got a great percentage of 75% for 8 shots, 6 points. That's really, really good. So likelihood is that he will continue to score because he can shoot. He's able to shoot. He's getting 6 shots out of 8. That's excellent. Which player would you encourage to pass more often? I would encourage Mike to pass more often because, as you can see, Mike shot 60 baskets. He shot for 60 times, but only averaged 25%. So he missed 45 shots. And that is why I would encourage him to pass more often, because he missed 45 baskets. On page 278, we're given a list of items, their listed price, the percent discount, the estimated discount. This is where we're going to estimate about how much we think it's going to be off, and the actual calculated discount when we actually solve it and write the answer. We are given a clock radio. Clock radio has its price listed at $33. And it's telling us that there's 20% off. And that's easy for us to figure out if we change this to a 110 in the 10th position, so 0.2 times 33. But let's just do it in our heads. Let's see, 20%, I am going to assume it's going to be about $6. That is my quick estimated discount, about $6. Okay. And let's actually figure it out. I'll move this for 1 sec out of the way. And let's see. It was 33 times, I said let's change the 20% to the 10th place of a decimal, because it's 20 over 100, which is 2 over 10, or 2 tenths. So 2 tenths, 2 in the 10th place. And let's multiply. 2 times 3, 6. And 2 times 3, 6. We only have to jump one number. Okay? From here to here. Right? So we do the same here, and we get 6.6. And now the unit is dollars. And we go back to our answer. Okay? Our calculated answer is 6.6. Calculated discount is can't erase. Our calculated discount is $6.60. And that's how we will solve those, boys and girls. On page 279 for math boxes, there will not be a video or explanation on how to do this, because I will be checking for the word problem. I will be checking 3 and 4 to see if they're done well. I will also be checking 2 for the area, and 5 for coordinates. So pretty much I'm checking almost every box. On when we get back to school, I will be checking every box simply for assessment. Alright, boys and girls, I'll see you at school. Bye-bye.